Yeah, hello children. Exercise 2. These sums are very small, that is why I just solved and I'm explaining. Here, simplify the following using laws of exponent. So, laws of exponents once we will revise. Okay. So, first one is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. When bases are equal, you just add the powers. Okay. Second one, a to the power m whole to the power n, a to the power m whole to the power n, which is equal to, suppose, the power and the whole power. If there are two powers in the base, then you have to multiply both the exponents. So the answer will be a to the power m into n. If there is no symbol, means it is treated as product. Okay, so a to the power of mn. Next, if negative power, if a to the power minus n, then the negative power will be transposed to the right side in the denominator. So which will take place of positive symbol. Okay, so this is 1 by a to the power of n. Okay, next one more formula. A to the power m minus n. M minus difference will give us the fraction of exponents. Like a to the power of m minus n is equal to a to the power of m by a to the power of n. Okay, a to the power of 0 equal to 1, which I explained in the last video, how we will get a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Next one, sixth one, a to the power of m into a to b to the power of m. When powers are equal and bases are different, then multiply the bases. Okay, the whole power will be the same exponent. Okay, here powers are equal, then multiply the bases. Next, a by b whole to the power of m, which means the power will be applicable for a and b also. If it is whole power, then the power will be applicable for a as well b. So a to the power of m by b to the power of m. These are very important 7 laws of exponents. Based on this only we have exercise problems. So first bit, first one, what is given here? 2 to the power of 10 into 2 to the power of 4. When bases are equal, what we have to do? Add the powers. So what is the power? 10 plus 4, 14. Okay, 2 to the power of 14. Next question, 3 to the 3 square into 3 square whole power 4. So what I said in the second identity, second formula, a to the, if two powers are there, you just multiply the powers. Okay, so 3 square into 3 to the power 2 into 4. Okay, 2 4s are 8. Now bases are equal, add the powers. 2 plus 8, 3 to the power of 10. Okay, next question, 5 to the power of 7 by 5 square. See, when denominators are there, what we have to do? Subtract the exponents. So 5 to the power of 7 minus 2. Okay, if fraction is given with the exponents, you subtract the, if bases are equal and fraction is given, then subtract the power. What is that answer? 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 to the power 5. We are using this formula. Next again, fourth one, 9 square into 9 to the power of 18 into 9 to the power of 10 is equal. All the bases are equal. You just simply add the powers. 2 plus 18 plus 10. How much it is? 9 to the power of 30. Okay. Since a to the power of m, this formula I applied, so I am writing here. It is better you also write while solving the problem which formula you applied for that. Okay, it will be better for you. So fifth question, 3 by 5 whole to the power of 4 into 3 by 5 whole to the power of 3 into 3 by 5 whole to the power of 8. What does it means? All the fractions are same. That means these are bases. All the bases are equal. So if bases are equal, then add the powers. Don't worry about the fraction. Don't apply the exponents to the numerator and denominator. No need. When the bases are equal in a fraction also, you just add simply the exponents. 4 plus 3 plus 8. How much it is? 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Okay. The next question is minus 3 whole to the power of 3 minus 3 whole to the power of 10 into minus 3 whole to the power of 7. First of all, you have to concentrate on the symbol. Okay, these all are negative. How many are there? 3 are there. If 3 negatives are there, the answer would be same, minus only. Okay, next, here bases are equal. You just simply add the powers. 3 plus 10 plus 7, which is equal to 3 plus 10, 13, 13 plus 7, 20. Okay, next question. Next question also, seventh one. 3 square whole square. Okay, 3 square whole square, which is equal to 3 to the power 3 to the power product, multiply the exponent 2 into 2. What is the answer? 3 to the power of 4. When two powers are there, then you have to multiply by using this formula, a to the power m whole to the power of n. Next question, 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power of 4. Here what is given as bases are different, for exponents are equal. Okay, how can we do if exponents are equal? We have to multiply the product. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 to the power of 4 is the answer. Next again, here bases are equal. In the ninth question, bases are equal, powers are different, and also here a is given. To make you confused, he has given to us 6a, 5a. But don't get confused. You just simply add them, whatever is given in the exponent. Because here bases are equal again. So 2 to the power of how much? 6a. 6a plus 5a. 6a plus 5a is how much? 11a. Okay. Next question. 10th one. 10 square whole to the power of 3. So 10 square. Okay. Here again two exponents are there. You just simply multiply the powers. 10 to the power of 2 into 3. What is the answer? 10 to the power of 6. 2 3s are 6. Next, one more question. Minus 6 whole square, the whole to the power of 5. There are two brackets. Okay, because this is negative. Okay, so when negatives are given, you have to put them in a bracket better for the good understanding. So minus 5 by 6 whole square, the whole 5. You just multiply the exponents. Okay, minus 5 by 6 as it is, you write, multiply the exponent. 2 into 5, how much? 10 answer. One more thing here, the 10 is even number. Even number means this will be plus. The answer would be plus because it is even number. Okay, once again I will explain this one here. Children, minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus. 2 2s are 4. Means 2. So this problem I am explaining, children. Here minus 2. Just an example. Minus 2 whole square. Means the power is what? Even. Okay. So minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus. 2 2s are 4. If I am going to take minus 2 whole cube, then minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. What is the answer? This is just a rough work. Okay. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 plus into minus minus 4 2s are 8. See, whenever the odd power would be there, the negative answer will be negative. The negative symbol will be the same negative only. If even power will be there, the answer would be in the positive. Okay, so if odd positive, odd power, then negative becomes negative only in the result. And if even powers are there, the result will be the positive. Okay, in that way, here minus 5 by 6 whole to the power of 2 into 5 is 10. So minus into, here the plus, now minus becomes plus because even power plus 5 by 6. Okay, next question. 12th question. 2 to the power of 3a plus 7 into 2 to the power of 7a plus 3. Here simply you add the powers. Don't worry about the equation like. So bases are equal. Just simply add the powers. 3a plus 7 plus 7a plus 3. 3a, 7a is 10a. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay. Next question. 13th one. Okay. 13th question, 2 by 3 whole to the power of 5. 2 by 3 whole to the power of 5. Then what is this answer? You just here any other bases are not given. So we have to apply this power to the numerator as well to the denominator. So the answer is 2 to the power 5 by 3 to the power of 5. Okay. 14th question. Minus 3 cube into minus 5 cube. Here powers are equal. Okay. Here powers are equal. Then bases you have to multiply. Minus 3 into minus 5 whole to the power 3 only because powers are same is equal minus into minus plus 15 whole to the power of 3. Okay, last question in this first bit. 28th, no, it's not last, I guess. It's a 15th question. Okay, it's a 15th question. Minus 4 whole to the power of 6 by minus 4 cube. Okay, here again bases are equal, then subtract the powers. I said in the exponent, if fraction exponents are there and the bases are equal, you just subtract the exponents. Okay, so minus 4 whole to the power of 6 minus 3. The answer is minus 4 cube. Here the answer will be minus only because what I said, if negative power would be the odd, then the result would be in negative only. If the negative power is even, the result will be positive. Okay. Yeah, same question here again. Bases are equal and it's in the fraction form. But one thing is the numerator power is smaller and the denominator power is larger. So here the answer would be denominator, like 1 by 9 to the power of 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is how much? 8. Okay, you don't write this again. You just write the answer as 1 by 9 to the power of 8 because denominator exponent is larger. So subtract the smaller number from larger number. Okay, same question next one also, 17th one. Minus 6 to the power 5 in denominator, minus 6 to the power 9. So the largest power is in denominator. So bring the numerator power into the denominator and subtract. So minus 6 to the power 9 minus 5. That is 9 minus 6 to the power is 4. What I said, if even power of negative number, what does it gives? Even only. Okay. Next. Or you can write 1 by 6 to the power of 4 directly. Okay. Next 18th question, minus 7 to the power 7 into minus 7 to the power 8. Here again bases are equal. If bases are equal, add the power. 7 plus 8 is how much? 15. And here negative power is odd. Then the answer would be negative only. The symbol will not be changed. 19th question. Minus 6 to the power 4, the whole power 4. Again, don't get confused about minus. You just multiply the powers. So, minus 6 to the power 4, 4s are 16. Here again, negative symbol for negative symbol exponent. Negative number exponent is even number. So, this is again plus 6 to the power of 16. Okay. Next, 20th question. Here he has given only variables. He didn't give us any numerical. A to the power of x into a to the power of y into a to the power of z, which is equal to a to the power of x plus y plus z. Just you have to add the powers. Okay, that's all this exercise. First exercise 2, first bit 20 problems. I hope you all understood very well. Practice thoroughly, children. Okay, thank you.